So today I'm going to show you guys how to create custom packaging for your businesses. To me, this is essential. It's a key element of what goes into a successful brand. So let's ditch those plain mailing bags. Today, we're going to slap your logo on it and any other message that you guys want to get across. And if you guys are new here, my name's Alex. I cover all things related to e-commerce. So if you find any value in this video, be sure to subscribe and stick around for plenty more to come. And with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so to get started, you guys want to create a high quality version of your logo with a transparent background. So this can be done on Photoshop or Canva or really any other program like it. So today I'll be using Photoshop. So what I did is I just went through really quick and created a sample logo. So I did store logo and just the Instagram logo down there just to tie it all together. So yeah, just go through and make your logo, put any messaging that you guys would want to put on your packaging down here or whatever. But for the purpose of this video, we'll just do this. So we'll go ahead and we'll crop this file right here, so we'll just get the space that's being used up. Bear with me for 1 second. Alright, so we cropped that successfully like that, and then if you go down here and just find the background, you guys can erase that. So there's the transparent logo. So what you guys will want to do with that is just save that really quick, make sure you have access to that, because that's what we're going to be sending over to your actual supplier, and that's what they're going to be putting on your shipping bags. Okay, so we're over here in Canva now. I just created a new Instagram post on here, and this is that other platform that I talked to you guys about on the last scene. And honestly, you guys can create your logos in here. They have a ton of elements and tools on the left-hand side to get you started. And I've created countless logos for my stores in Canva, but from now on, I just use Photoshop just for the more advanced features and ease of use and everything like that. But this is something I generally do when I'm ordering custom packaging or dealing with new suppliers. The more detail you involve, the better it is, the less confusion, and you're more likely going to get exactly what you want out of this. So what I did was I just downloaded one of the files from the Alibaba manufacturers right here. I just downloaded some basic shipping bags that I found, and then I added the logo we created in the last scene on here. I'm just going to size it all in there and just make it look nice and kind of give the supplier an idea of what we want out of this. So we'll center that there, and that looks good like that. You guys can even mess with some of the transparency and add different messages and stuff on there, but basically, just download that file, and that's one of the files we're going to be sending over to our supplier so that they know exactly what you want on the shipping bag, and there's no confusion, no misprints or anything like that. This just saves you time, money, confusion, and headaches. Okay, so once you finish creating this file, just go ahead and download it as well as the logo that we created on Photoshop. And we'll be using both of those to contact our supplier and make sure we get exactly what we want. But before we dive into all that, I do want to talk about 2 practical uses that these shipping bags have. So once you get these created and ordered and everything set up and going good the way you want it, there's 2 things you can do with these bags. The first one is obvious. You can order these to your house, ship them out yourself, shipping out orders the normal way you would just with new customized shipping bags. Or you can actually send these to a third-party logistics service like a warehouse that manages all of your inventory and all your orders for you, and make sure they use, like the customized packaging and all your branded materials and stuff like that. Or you can actually send it to one of your suppliers and just have them handle orders normally, but you provide the shipping bags and everything else. So a few practical uses with that, but you guys can be creative with it. Usually what I do is I order all the shipping bags myself, and I have me and my team package all the orders every day and send them out. So moving over here to Alibaba, this is where we're going to be sourcing the actual shipping bags from. This is where I get a lot of my own inventory and a lot of the products that I sell. So we're over here on the homepage, and there's actually 2 sourcing methods that you guys can use. You can look for the shipping bags in the search bar and just find a high quality supplier, which we will be doing in a second. Or if you scroll down, you can actually find the RFQ section, the request for quotation, which is right here. You guys can put in what exactly you're looking for and all the details, and suppliers will actually reach out to you themselves, and you'll be able to find one that way. So if you click this request for quotation right here, it will take you to this page, and then you just fill in all of this information about your product, and then you should have suppliers reaching out to you shortly after. But like I said, we'll be using the other method. So let's go on the search bar, just type in like shipping bags or custom packaging or shipping bags with logo, whatever it is that you're looking for, because you guys can do this with a countless amount of things. Okay, so I just put in the search bar shipping bags with logo on Alibaba, and this was the first one that came up, and this actually looks really legit. So we'll check out this product page. They have a ton of different sizes. A lot of times what you want to do is give them your own dimensions and do your own custom sizing. So if you guys are using shipping bags yourself already and you guys know what size you guys want to use, just go ahead and put in that shipping information on there, or select it if they have it listed here for you. So a lot of times I'll use the 9x12, so they actually have that on there. But you guys can, like I said, get custom packaging available for you. And you guys want to make sure you're using legit suppliers as well. So look at all the certifications this supplier has. They've been in business for 9 years. They've done over $1.8 million for over 98 transactions and all of that. You guys can actually look at the reviews for the product itself, so everyone seems satisfied on here. So also, you want to make sure it's a trade assurance order, that you are protected and you will not end up getting scammed or losing money anyway. But like I said, this was the first listing on here. This supplier does look legit, and this does look like a really good listing. So if I was looking, I'd probably browse a few more, but this definitely looks like a good one. And there's some good quantity discounts right here in pricing. So if you order anywhere from 100 to 1,000 pieces, you're paying 29 cents, 1,000 to 2,000, 25 cents. And then if you go over 2,000, 15 cents. And I'm not even going to try to figure out this number right here, maybe a million, maybe 10 million, whatever. Paying a cent for each bag that you order in that quantity, but you guys most likely aren't ordering that many right now. But a lot of them will have minimum order quantities as well. So if you want like 5 or 6 shipping bags, it's probably not going to work out. You probably need to order at least 100 or so. But yeah, this definitely looks like a good supplier right here. So what you would do is see if they have the customization tool, which they don't down here. So I'll find another listing with the tool and show you how to actually use that. But you'll want to contact the supplier. Just hit this button right here, and you just want to leave them a detailed message, talk about who you are, what company you're representing, what you're looking for. So if you're looking for like a long-term manufacturer of like shipping bags and stuff like that, let them know so they can give you great service up front. You can continue using them time and time again. So like I mentioned, you just want to click contact supplier right here, and you just want to get across exactly what you're looking for. So you're going to want to tell them the print, like your logo, what exactly you want on it. So you'll send the logo file as well as the file we created in Canva to give them a basic idea of what you want. And you're just going to go back and forth with them a little bit. You'll tell them the sizing you want, the color, the quantity, the shipping method, everything else like that. Just negotiate with your buyer and they'll draft up a contract for you, and then you send your payment through and everything should be good to go. I'll click contact supplier right now right here just to type up a little draft message to give you guys an idea. Okay, so I just clicked contact supplier really quick and just typed up a little draft message. So this is basically what you would want to get across to your supplier if you were in this situation. So I said, hello, my name is Alexander and I'm the purchasing manager for my store company. We are currently looking for a long-term manufacturer of shipping bags and accessories and are interested in placing an initial order with your company. We are looking for 10,000 units of your custom packaging size 12 inches by 9 inches. I've attached my logo as well as a sample file to show you what we are looking for. Is this something that you guys could do? Thank you for your time, or thank you in advance, something like that. So this is the basic message that you guys would want to get across if you were looking for this custom packaging right here and you guys went through and drafted your logo and everything else. So it just makes it easier for everyone. And just wait for a reply from them. They should draft a contract for you guys and send your payment through and you're good to go. So it's that easy with this. I will show you guys the customization tool really quickly in case you find a supplier that offers that, and it just makes the process that much easier. So let's take a look at that. Okay, so this is just another listing that I found on Alibaba for the same search, but this one actually does have the customization tool. So when you scroll through down here, you guys can see the different sizing and all of that. But where it says customization, it says Alibaba.com built-in online customization. So you guys can click customize now and go through and just add your logo and everything else. So you guys can see the sample bags right here, and I'll just click add image and we'll add the file that we created on Photoshop. So you guys can mess around with that right here on the left hand side, adjust that, adjust the placements and everything else, and get it to exactly what you're looking for. And then you guys can put in all the details on this other side right here. So shows the shipping cost and the sizing cost and everything else. So it gives you the full unit price right here. You guys can type in how many units you want. So like I said, we were looking for 10,000 in that specific example, and we would be getting them for 16 cents a piece with the quantity discount right here. And you'll just click start order. So you guys can contact your supplier that way and talk to them about the specific details and get that order going right away. So I hope I was able to help you guys out and simplify this process. If this video helped you guys out in any way, go ahead and drop a like and subscribe, as there's plenty more to follow. I have 2 e-commerce resources linked in the description below. You're welcome to check out either one of those. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.